Good afternoon, Ice Cream Ninja Nation. This is your big homie, Fat Boy Jim, with another car tip. So today we are going to restore Willie. Fix him up a little bit on a budget. Tools required. On sale. White paint, black paint, rag, razor knife, paint shield. Okay, so with that, we're going to get right into it. Let's see if we can get this here going. Give this a good shake. Oh yeah, nice. Now the thing is, okay, we're professionals on this channel, so definitely use all your we'll give her a little, just a quick wipe down. Yeah, that'll probably do it right there. Okay, so let's head right into it. Now the thing is, we're not trying to be brand new. Willie's an old car. We're just trying to spruce him up a little bit, you know, give him a little pizzazz back. And we're going to work from the outside in. I did this in parking lots right before I sell a car. I've even did it where I sold the car and the paint was still wet. So don't be afraid. A little bit of spray paint prevents rust. It's cheap, makes it look good, and voila, rim rebuilt. Okay, let's keep her going. We'll move right on to the next one. And the beautiful thing is, not only it don't take much time, it really ain't that hard. So don't be scared. Throw a little spray paint around. Start from the outside. Try not to get it on the tire. Fat Boy is a professional with the spray can. It's not going to be exactly perfect, but we will get the job done. And if you miss anything, the good thing is you can always just go back and touch him up. I mean, we're talking $5 for a can of spray paint and about 15 minutes worth of time. I do this with a lot of hoopties. Sounds like my neighbor's over there. That's fine. Okay, looks pretty good. Not too bad at all. Let's just keep right on trucking. Get out of the gravel here. Now Willie is the what I want to call the Panther variety. We're not going to pay much attention to what's going on over there. Just knock the big stuff off. That's all we're really doing. And give him a coat. But yeah, he is a Panther car. Mr. Random, shout out to you, sir. I have learned a lot. I mean, I remember when I was younger, these were taxis, these were police cars, you name it, they used them. Government cars, police cars, detective cars, fire chief cars, the Panther series. Probably one of Ford's best cars they ever made. And like I said, when I was young, I really didn't appreciate the Panther cars as much as I do now. So we're just going to try to stay right with it. I'm not going to lie to you, I had some videos set up for yesterday. Somehow or another, like I said on this channel, if it can be messed up, best believe Jim will mess it up. And I lost all my footage. I won't even tell you what footage it was. It don't matter. But just know, we lost it all. Okay. One more to go. That's not too bad, folks. And like I said, all we're doing is just knocking the grass off the rim. You know, spider webs, whatever. Okay. Let's just get right to it. And went to the distributor yesterday. That was part of the video. Maybe I should update you about that. On the way there was a huge, and I mean huge, like nuclear bomb type huge cloud of smoke all the way there. And it was a recycling plant that was on fire. Tragic, really. But at the end of the day, we get there to the distributor. At one point, I was worried about it being the distributor. But whereas he had told me before, no stock for the rest of the year. Now he's got new store hours for the rest of the winter. Now you tell me. Let's just take a far away shot here. Oh, sorry about the bad camera angles. Let's just set this up here. Oh yeah, that does old Willie a little bit of justice. All right, let's see what we can do here with our white. Kind of cover some of this up. See if I can get this off. Okay. Okay. So this is going to be tough. Hard to do it with one hand, so if you make a mistake, you can always go back, little razor blade action, whatever. Let's see what we can do here. Just kind of camouflaging. Really not the best. Better than it was. I mean, it's a 10-footer, guys. It's a 10-footer. Get a little bit in that crack. Let's put a little bit right here. And like I said, guys, Willie's an old car. He's just a beater, but we love him to pieces. So, let's see, anything else major? Maybe a little bit right there. Maybe one day we'll just turbo spray the crap out of him, you know? More than anything, when it comes to putting the white paint on, because this Ford paint, I mean, how it's 100 years old. But, I mean, well, we could probably do a little more there. Kind of give him that camouflage look. So with that, I mean, a $10 revival, let it dry up. He goes to the car wash. Maybe he gets his front seat put back in. Maybe he don't. You just never know. But yeah, 10 bucks. 10 bucks, guys. And Willie looks a lot better with new shoes. How about that? So don't be scared to get out there. Start tearing stuff up. Miss you, Pop. With that, like, share, subscribe. Leave us a comment. Let us know how we're doing. And have a great day.